The High Court has upheld the constitutional validity of Goa Green Cess Act. At the same time, the High Court has dismissed a bunch of petitions filed by various companies like Southwest Port Company. Goa government in 2013 had introduced Goa Green Cess Act. In 2014, several petitions were filed before the High Court challenging the constitutional validity of the act. The High Court, while admitting the petitions for final disposal, had also passed interim order restraining Goa government from taking any coercive action on the basis of this act against any petitioner company. During the arguments, it was the contention of the petitioners that this act deals with the issue of environment, which is the jurisdiction of central government. But opposing the contentions of the petitioners, Goa government contended that this act does not violate any provisions of any previous central act. Accepting the contention of Goa government, the High Court has dismissed all the petitions and has upheld the constitutional validity of this act. At the same time, the High Court has taken back its previous interim order restraining Goa government to take any coercive action on the basis of this act. That means Goa government is now free to collect green cess. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.